We're here with Kelsey Dangerous, and we're gonna get a little crazy. So I want you to pretend to be a flight attendant and show me those arms go out, in, guide the plane. Now tell the passengers to take a seat again. In, out, woo. We'll do this later. Pull it to the side, down, and double hit. Same thing, hit lower. Do what we practiced here.
Can you feel it?
I can feel it.
Oh yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Again.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Oh yeah.
Speed this up now. Watch the car. Oh my God, Kelsey, that hair flip. Hey, single and double. Make this bigger here. Step front. Let's go. Take it back.
Like that. 시간이 지나도 변함없이 Like that. I don't care that I like that.
Don't you dare quit on me. We've got 2 more times.
Yo, 때리는 난 맷집. 때리던 문은 불편하겠지. 눈에 바람대로 망할 거라 고사지는 사람들은 모아다가 가볍게 듣지.
Hey, Kelsey.
걱정이 하나 go. 그냥 닥치고 다 같이 놀아보자 go. Meaning give back to sound. Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
4 times. We're back to being a flight attendant after we just slapped our friend.
Can you feel it? Can you
Sit
feel
down,
it?
Betsy. We have to leave.
Our turbulent relationship.
Watch the car. After our shift, we go watch cars.
1, 2, 3 to the 4.
Single, double. Make it bigger now. Now ride that pony. 3, 2, 1, around. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, Kelsey. That was a lot, but I hope you had fun. If you want to hang out with Kelsey Dangerous more, you can check her out on YouTube, Twitch, TikTok.
If it's a platform, you can find me there, baby.
And speaking of Kelsey Dangerous, you can get anything you see here at activebooty.com. If you want to do 30-minute and 60-minute live streams with us, you can click right here to join the Booty Army. And we also just launched our Spotify playlist, Workout by the Fitness Marshall. You can search that on Spotify for a good time.